Hi, I'm Tommy with BuyTwoWayRadios.com, and this is Radio 101. If you're new to NXDN digital two-way radios, there's one setting you're definitely going to run into while programming your radio, and that's something called a RAN code. But what is a RAN code? How does it work? And when, if ever, would you need it? RAN stands for Radio Access Number, and it's an access control feature used in NXDN digital radio systems. It's the digital equivalent of CTCSS or DCS tones that you find in an analog radio, but designed specifically for NXDN. Instead of sending a sub-audible tone, NXDN radios send a digital RAN value along with the voice signal. NXDN RAN codes range from 0 to 63, giving you 64 possible options. Here's how it works. When an NXDN radio transmits, it includes its programmed RAN code in the digital data stream. Receiving radios are constantly listening for that code. If the incoming RAN code matches what your radio is programmed for, the audio comes through. If it doesn't match, your radio stays silent, even if the signal is strong. This keeps your radio from opening up for transmissions that aren't meant for you. RAN codes are especially useful in a few common situations. First, shared frequencies. In business and commercial radio systems, multiple users often operate on the same license frequency. RAN codes allow each group to communicate without hearing everyone else. Second, reducing unwanted traffic. If your radio is picking up other NXDN users or digital noise on the channel, setting a RAN code filters that out. And third, repeater access. Many NXDN repeaters are programmed to respond only to a specific RAN code. If your radio isn't using the correct RAN, it won't key up the repeater or pass audio. There is one important thing to understand. RAN codes are not encryption. They control access, but they don't make your conversations private. Anyone with an NXDN radio programmed to the same frequency and RAN code can still listen. If you need secure communications, that's where digital encryption comes in, when it's legal and supported by your radio. For NXDN radios to talk to each other successfully, they must all be programmed with the same frequency, the same NXDN code, and the same RAN code. If even one of those doesn't match, communication won't happen. If you have any questions or want to know more about digital two-way radios, please give us a call, email us, or hit us up in our live chat at BuyTwoWayRadios.com. I'm Tommy with BuyTwoWayRadios.com, and this is Radio 101. Class dismissed.